April 21st, 2021, Strongsville, Ohio, Cuyahoga County. It is very rare to get snow here April 20th or later. The trees are totally covered. The ground, the cars, the trees are very, very heavy. This is a really wet, heavy moisture snow. You can see the trees are all leaning big time. They're all falling down to the ground over there. Right there, you see them over there. Really heavy, heavy. I can see a lot of branches or trees breaking. Snow is really accumulated on the trees. This is crazy. Just when all the trees were getting their leaves and doing their budding, their flowering, we get this cold freeze. And the heat in the buildings here at the apartments were turned off about 2 weeks ago. But yeah, very rare to get this kind of snow this late in April. April 21st. Unbelievable.